Chris Kaijuka is a grain exporter, and South Sudan was the biggest market for his produce. The crisis in South Sudan forced thousands of traders, including Ugandans, to flee the country, incurring heavy losses worth millions of dollars.
Most of us borrowed this money from the banks to trade on contracts. Contracts were not honored, so the banks have been on us. We have so lost our properties. Some of our colleagues have got out of business completely.
Before war broke out in December 2013, exports from Uganda to South Sudan were estimated to be in the excess of $400 million US. But this figure has since dropped to less than $17 million. Key exports include foodstuffs, construction materials, and beverages.
South Sudan is one of the big markets. I want to tell you unequivocally, in real terms, that it is the biggest market currently when there is peace in the whole world.
Traders in Uganda are pleased about the recent peace agreement between warring parties to end the conflict in the world's youngest nation. They say the move will go a long way in improving trade relations between the two nations.
If it works, we expect these brothers of ours to migrate back to Southern Sudan and go and re-establish themselves in the country so that they can start operating once again.
Fighting between forces loyal to President Salva Kiir and Dr. Riek Machar over the last 20 months has forced many businesses to cut back on operations. Others have completely closed shop.
The challenge goes back to South Sudan. They need really to organize themselves. They need to behave now civilized. It's no longer a bush, it's now a government. We think by now they have matured.
South Sudan is no doubt the largest single export market for Uganda, according to the country's Export Promotions Board. But as peace returns to the world's youngest nation, traders say they are going to move cautiously as they resume business. Mike Kobaleke, CCTV, Kampala.